Ready for a new run out. Running like a dream at the moment. Perfect. Couldn't be any better at the moment, like. Absolutely spot on. Just got some new oil. Put some extra in, smoked me a bit. But proper fully synthetic race oil, so expecting it might last, make the engine last a bit longer, hopefully. If anything, anyway. Wants a good polish up though, doesn't it? Unfortunately, I've lost my headlight. It come off yesterday when I was riding. It snapped off. So I'm going to have to find one with a solid metal bracket or something. Something a bit more stronger. New speedo, they sent me a new one. For some reason wasn't quite working right, so they decided to send me a new one out, so I'll give this one a go, see if it's any different. Probably fucking same like, but we'll see what happens. Unfortunately I still can't do an onboard view with it. I haven't got a proper bracket or anything to hold my phone properly in there. This is a tablet I'm using at the moment, so it's too big to use as a chest cam or anything, so I'll leave it for now. Smoke's cleared up now anyway, so right, pretty much warmed up a bit now on it. Put a bit of extra oil in, so I'm wondering whether it's going to bog down a bit. We'll have to wait and see. Hopefully it'll be alright. It's that strong smelling oil and I like the smell of it, so I put a bit of extra in so I could have it a bit stronger. Gas really, but